Hey guys, very good evening today. So very excited to be here right now. So because actually I just came here right now. So because actually, so that is the most importance and learning English and these days. So because actually I want to improve myself and English. So that time was my English was not as good as right now. So because actually this time so very hard, actually I'm doing hard work and these days so actually improving. So as soon as I got a chance for the make video on my YouTube channel, so because actually I am busy all time, so because actually I'm doing the work in the 12 hours the continue. So because actually I have come and right now from my duty time, so I just came right, and this my home. So because actually I had been thinking since morning, so because actually make video today and tonight, and gradually learning English and vocabularies, and these days they improving my English journey, because that is good idea. So suddenly I got a chance for, unfortunately, and make video on my YouTube channel, so that and I would like to thanks to all my learner, my subscriber, and first of all, I love you so much, guys. So thank you so much for the supporting me always. So because thank you, and I would like to welcome to my beginners and who the want to learn English, and please most welcome in this channel. So guys, if you want to very interested to learn English, please join in this channel, so that you will get notification and more videos, and you soon everyone that. So thank you so much. So and you can see me right now, so because actually I'm very grateful right now. So the who peoples want to learn English, please join this channel, because and this is very important for everyone. Actually, when I was starting my English journey, so because I was not able to speak in properly at that time, because actually some and that time, so the people's laughing a lot. Actually I ashamed. Actually uh, I did work hard, and I did very well work in my future. Actually, I did not leave and this journey, because this journey was a very horrible and hard work in my life, because actually gradually actually I learned English, and every day the morning times, so actually I get up early in the morning and everyday times. So because actually I'm trying, actually I'm learning a lots, thinking and improving my English journey. It was a very difficult at that time, but actually I have promised myself, because actually I want to become the good speaker in my future. And please, you will have to support always, and for these channels, and this is. So first of all, I would like to say that actually my name is Anil Maurya. I am from Ayodhya. Actually, my parents is very poor, and that time. So because actually my parents had a lot's responsibility. So because actually they had not given the more education in my future, but actually no problem. I'm so great happy today. Actually I want to become the good speaker. And please thank you, and the first of all, thank you so much for the supporting and my subscriber. And I would like to salute and love you so much, guys. So thank you. Actually, and these days I am learning English, improving my English journey. Actually, and gradually I'm learning and improving, and these days. So guys, extremely sorry, because actually I am not teacher, because actually I am only friend, guys. and you can join this channel for learn English. And these channels has been created only for the beginners, who people want to learn English and join in this channel. This is the most important for you guys, and we will learn English every day, and join in this channel. So guys, today is a very grateful, and this is my home right now. All out things, my clothes, the hanger the right now. So because actually I just came from my duty, because actually I have to the hard work 12 hours continue, because I was very sad at that time. But actually this time so I'm so super excited, and this time because actually I had gone for the Haridwar, Uttarakhand. So as soon as camp in Delhi right now, the suddenly I was sick, and I had a fevers, cold, but actually I took medicines, and this time the recovers from, and super excited, and this time and very very grateful in right now. So because actually I'm going to continue duty, and from 21st January the continue duty. So because actually I'm grateful. So guys, it has the long time, so no any upload any video on my YouTube channel. And please subscribe on this channel, and thank you so much for the and supporting me. And as soon as I have collected only the 114 subscriber in this channel, so thank you the all subscriber, and thank you so much. I love you guys, I love you so much, and you for the supporting, and thank you. And this is my blog English. Actually I'm learning English and improving, and these days actually I don't have any more ideas for the speak English, but even then I have experience I am sharing to all them, who peoples want to learn English. So please guys, this is the most important guys, and you can speak English properly, but you will have to the hard work and properly. And this is morning. Actually I would like to say first of all, and morning time is super moment, and increase your mind. And morning times your mind is always the fresh, and you can speak, and you can the practice every morning time, okay, only 30 minutes. And I hope that you will improve yourself, and 15 in 1 month I guaranteed that you please. And please you can speak English properly, and you can do the hard work and regular basis, okay, and don't leave. And this channel is very very crucial and for you and for everyone. So thank you, bye bye. It's longer videos, so that's I will meet you the next video guys. Thank you and good night, bye bye, and meet you the next video. Bye. Thank you guys, love you so much all my subscriber. Bye bye.